How are you? I hope you're doing well. So let's start the SAP classes for today. What we are going to do. So let's see here. So in yesterday class, let me give an overview and brief for yesterday classes. So in yesterday class, we what we did is we did created the organizational unit ID, and we created departments, and we created the positions, right? So for example, we created corporate office, which is called organizational unit, and we created human resource department, marketing department, and finance department as well. We created positions as well. So like for example, we created in human resource department, we created president HR, vice president HR, and general manager HR. As well in marketing department, we created 2-3 positions, and in finance as well, right? So now what we can do is, now we'll maintain like in yesterday class we maintained two relationship, right? Suppose a corporate office is not you can say um, reporting to anybody, because this is the corporate office, right? And departments, suppose HR departments, means HR means human resource department, and marketing department, and finance department. Departments reports to corporate office, and now positions report to department. So likewise, suppose this finance department, human resource president means president HR reports to department, obviously human resource department, and again vice president HR reports to department, human resource department, and as well as position to position as well to senior means vice president HR reports to president HR as well, and again general manager HR reports to vice president HR. So we created the organizational unit IDs, we created department, we created positions, and we maintained the relationship as well. So now in today's class we will maintain third relationship. So we'll see how to do it. And also suppose general manager HR reports to vice president HR. For example, vice president HR, just because of some personal reason, suppose he got an accident, he or she got an accident, or something else happened in his or her life, might be this marriage of him or her. So there can be any case. Suppose he is going on leave for a month. So general man, now for a month, for whole month, general manager HR going to report who? Obviously, generally he reports to vice president HR, but in absence of vice president HR, he is directly assigned to president HR. So now he is going to report to president HR. So obviously these things should not be mutual, on mutual understanding. These all things should be maintained in system as well. Suppose general manager wants to take leave for 1 day, half day, or 2 days, likewise, right? So now as his senior manager, his reporting manager, for example, vice president HR is on leave for a month, then whom he is going to report that I am going on leave. So obviously once he send any request in the system, directly this is assigned to president HR, right? So in absence of reporting manager, automatically the above of that, the reporting manager, the manager of reporting manager is assigned to the junior of the manager, right? So I think you might be getting confused what I'm trying to say. So let's better to do practically, you will get a clear picture here. Let me show you in EXL as well, and we'll do both the things. We'll maintain third relationship in the system, and as well as we'll see other things as well. You can see here, just a second. Let me show you the EXL. Now you can see here, what I was trying to say verbally, now I have written here already, that Mr. President HR, We are talking about President HR, Mr. A. The time period of their joining is 1/9/2020 to 31/12/999, means 4 times 9 means like it can be any year, right? So that is why we have kept here 4 times 9. And Vice President HR Mr. B has joined on the same date, and obviously his joining will be end this date, on this date. And again, Senior General Manager HR Mr. C is there. He also has joined on the same date, and the end date will be this, right? So now what I'm trying to say is, Mr. B have some medical criticality. He is undergoing treatment. He wants, Mr. B means Vice President HR Mr. B. He wanted a 1 month leave from 1/10 means 1st of October to 31st December, right? So for 2 months you can say. No, for 1 month only, obviously 31st 10 only, right? So from 1st of October to 31st of October he is going on leave. So in his absence, let me show you the clear picture here. You might be understanding now. So Senior General Manager HR Mr. C reports to Vice President HR, right? Generally by these dates are the same, right? I have mentioned here. So now Senior General Manager Mr. C reports to President HR directly because he is absent. So obviously now he used to report to Vice President HR here, but at the place of Vice President HR, because he is absent, so now this position will be taken by President HR. So automatically this reporting will be going to directly Vice President, President HR. So now you can see here President HR reports to President HR, right? Now Vice President HR is absent and Senior General Manager reports to. Now I have given you the picture that generally what happened, there are 3 people here, right? And now there is 1 people is going on leave. So generally what happen is Senior General Manager HR reports to Vice President HR and Senior General Manager HR reports to President. Now Senior General Manager HR reports to President HR just because of Vice President HR absent, just because that Vice President HR is absent, right? So here Mr. B has resumed on services on 1/11 means 1st of November. Mr. B has resumed the services. He has pulled the resignation and he requested to leave on 30th November 2022. First 23 means on Mr. B has resumed the service. Now again Mr. B means Vice President VP HR has joined the company from 1st of November. He has put the resignation and he requested to leave on 30th November 2022, right? So he joined the company, and again after joining the company he given the resignation and he given the notice period for 30 days from 1st of November to 30th November. First 01/01/2023 Mr. D has joined as Vice President HR. So now Mr. D has come at in the replacement of Mr. C from the 1st of January 2023. He is going to join the company from 1st of January 2023. So now let's see how reporting will be there. What will be the clear picture of that? Now you can see here Senior General Manager HR reports to Vice President HR generally as per the rule. Now Senior General Manager HR reports to President HR because he went on leave, right? In his absence, the Senior General Manager HR has to report to President HR, right? And now Senior General Manager HR reports to Vice President HR again because he joined the company and he given the notice period for 30 days. So in this time period he will be again his assigned manager, right? So again he will be joining to him. So in system also we'll have to do these maintenance, right? We'll have to create these relationship, we'll have to maintain these relationship by the time. Once he leave, once he joins, so we'll have to maintain this relationship. That's it. I think you might have understood what I'm trying to say here and what I'm trying to explain here. Last, Senior General Manager HR reports to President HR 1/12/2022 and 30/12/9999. Means again, because he given the notice for 30 days, like he joined in November 1st and given the notice till 30th November. So for from 1st to 30th November again, senior general manager manager HR started reporting to vice president HR, but after serving 30 days his services was left. So for whole month there was no vice president in the company. Even that person left who was existing VP HR, and the new VP HR is joining from the 1st of January 2023. So for whole one month, for December month, there was no assigned HR. Even there is no VP HR in the company. So directly senior general manager HR will report to president HR. So this is how it works, and this is how we'll have to maintain the relationship by the time once someone is leaving, someone is joining. So as per that, we'll maintain the relationship. So in yesterday class, we maintained the relationship, but now in again we'll change the relationship. Again, we'll make the relationship. You will see how to do it, right? So now you can see here, and also what we'll do is we'll maintain third relationship. In yesterday classes we maintained two relationship only. Now in this class we maintain third relationship here, right? So we maintain the relationship of A0 info type A002 and A003 as well, right? So now let's do it on server. Let's, I think you might be knowing that relationship, I mean positions are created in PO13. So let's put the transaction code PO13. On PO10 we can create organizational unit. So now we'll put, let me show you the sheet we made yesterday. Now we made the list yesterday. This is right, this is the list. So how we saw this, you can see here that now there is a general manager HR, right? So general manager HR reports to vice president HR. So now let's so for example he is going on leave, means VP HR is going on leave. So in yesterday classes we maintained the relationship that general manager HR reports to vice president HR. Let's change the reporting manager now from here to there. Let me put this, just a second. Okay, we'll copy this because we are going to change the reporting manager of this position. So let's paste here, enter. It should be showing. I don't know what happening with this. Or I might be doing something else. I put this, I click on object and I click on create. There is something, change info type. Let's click on it. This is not happening. Without you wasting your time, I want that I'll do it sometime later. Let me see what exactly happening in the system. I'm not able to do so. What I'm trying to do, show you practically what I made you understand on the excel sheet. I just try to show you on the server as well, but I don't know why it is not happening. Let me check internally, then I'll take this point. I'll show you these points in next upcoming section. So without wasting time, let's do further things. So now we can do is, what we can do is, so we learned how to create organizational units, how to create departments, how to create positions, how to make the relationship. We made two relationship in yesterday class, and third relationship we supposed to make, but just because of I don't know what happened, so somehow it is not working. So we'll do it in sometime later. So now let's study about time management. So in time management, let's create holiday, how it works. So let me show you the theory part first. Let me teach you the theory part first, so that you could understand very well. In holiday, we'll create two types of holidays. There are two types: fixed holiday and floating fixed holidays. And the steps to create the holiday lists are, there are 5 steps. First one is use the T code SCAL scale. दूसरा है, second one is create the holiday list. Third one is create the holiday ID. And then fourth one is assignment of holiday to holiday ID. And fifth one, which is last, assignment of holiday ID to PA personal area and PSA personal sub area. PA is nothing but like it is locations, and PSA is nothing but the departments. For example, human resource department, finance department, and marketing department, manufacturing department, etc. And these are maintained in the table entry under in bracket. You can put in as after putting in transaction code SM30, you can put in table, you can put V underscore 001 P underscore M. So after creating the holiday list, fixed holiday and floating fixed holiday, you can assign this to with the PA and PSA in table V underscore 001 P underscore M. So we'll do it in this class only, how to create the fixed holiday and floating holiday, and how to maintain the data, right, in table number V underscore 001 P underscore M, right? So let's create it. Let's go on server. Okay, we'll put here in command box SCAL. Now we'll click on public holidays and holiday calendar. There are two options. Factory calendar we'll not use here because we are not going to make for factory calendar. We'll understand first of all public holiday. So how it works, after clicking on public holiday, let's click on change. Then you can see the public holiday already have holidays are already have created. You can see here how it looks alike. So now we'll create our own entry here. So we'll click on this option. in white box you can see here. This is create option. Let's create, and after this page will open. Now we can choose the fixed with fixed date. So we'll create the holiday list with fixed date. So fixed dates are like fixed holidays are which are public holidays. For example, Independence Day, Republic Day, you can say Gandhi Jayanti, etc. So let's make it with this option only with fixed date. After clicking on that, click on create option. I clicked on it. Now we'll put here. Okay. So 26th January. First of all, let's start with January 1. So day is 26th. Month is 01 January. Okay. And now we'll put your in short criterion. You can put here your name initial. My name is Smita Rajpur. So I'll keep here SR. Religious denomination, that is not required. Public holiday class, in which class it will be going. So you can click on circle option and you can see how it looks like and what is the meaning of those. Not a public holiday, there is no number assigned. One, you can see ordinary public holiday, and second one is half day holidays, and third one is 9 customer specific public holiday classes. So we are going to create ordinary public holiday. So I'll click on it. I'll double click on it. It will be selected here. Let's make it short holiday name. So I'll create it Republic Day, REP underscore D. Okay, and let's click on Republic Day. My name initial SR. This is the November month, so I'll make it November. For my reference only, while creating this, at what time you are creating, in which month you are creating, you can choose as per that. So because I'm going to show you how it looks alike and how we create, so there's no mean like you can't like that is there's no requirement that we should put our name initial, month and date. This is for our reference only because there are so many entries here. So to clarify our entry, so that is why I'm making here my name initial and month, so that I could recognize this is my entry, right? Because this is the common server. Now I click on create option, and transporting the holiday and factory calendar, they are the rule. Means it is, there is a clarification. You can click on continue, and you can see public holiday was entered, right? So now we'll go back. We'll again create the same. Now click on change, click on create, and again click on with fixed date. Now again click on create. Now we can make for 15 August. 15 day is 15. August is 08 August month, and in short criterion my name initial. Religion is not required because it is for everyone. Public holiday class is 1 obviously, and short criterion Independence Day. So now you can hear. Let's create again. So respectively we can create here for every fixed holidays. Second October. October is I think month 10. Yeah. My name initial. 1. Gandhi Jayanti. create, continue. Now we created 3 fixed holidays: Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti, right? So let's move back. Let's make now again, let's click on change. Now we created fixed holidays. Now we'll create floating public holidays. Floating means Diwali, Holi, Bhai Dooj, Raksha Bandhan. These are the the holidays are fixed, but dates are different. So on floating public holidays, we'll click on floating. Now let's create floating holidays. So here what 2020 we are creating for 2022 month, Diwali went, so we can create Diwali. So Diwali, this year Diwali was on 24. For upcoming years, for 2023 also we can create the holidays, but now this is for learning purpose. So you can create for any years like 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 as well. So let's make it for Diwali. So month is obviously in this October month, 10, day 24. Okay, and now short criterion SR. Religion is not required. Public holiday class is, let's click on ordinary public holiday class. Again, short holiday name is Diwali festival. SR 2022. Insert date. Now insert. Now click on create. After clicking on insert, let's click on continue. This data will be saved. So again, respectively, we can make for Holi, right? So let's again click on create. Click on floating public holiday. Click on create. Now again, let's create Holi, for Holi, right? But you can create for anything like Holi, Diwali, Dashera. Dashera was on 5th October. Let's create for Dashera. So year 2022, month 10, day 5th, and again in short criterion your name initial, and this is the ordinary public holiday, and short criterion Dashera, underscore F, festival. Okay, insert date, and now click on create option. Okay, this is also saved. Let's go back. Okay, we can respectively we can create so many. So because we are doing the practice only, I'm going to show you how it works and how to do it in SAP server. So now we'll go back again. Now we created public holidays which are fixed and floating, right? Now let's click on holiday calendar. Let's make calendar for this. I'll click on holiday calendar. You can see on display. They're already there. So this is the display play. I just wanted to show you how it looks like as a display mode. Now let's click on holiday calendar and click on change. Okay. And in holiday IDs, you can see here there are so many holiday IDs and calendar names are there. Holiday calendars are there for Germany, for Brazil, for Canada. So we are creating for India, right? Let's click on create option. Okay, calendar ID. we can give any number, right? So here, just a second. Okay, so in calendar ID we'll have to find the available number. So like go in previous calendar page, go back. You can see there are so many numbers. So suppose if you are choosing the, say suppose 30, you are choosing in holiday calendar ID code. You are, if your ID, if you are putting 01, 02, 03, it will not take. So make sure the calendar ID you are using, in your new entry, it should not be existing in the system. So let's find here what is the missing number here. The missing number will use, right? So we can see here 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 21. Yeah, all are there. 20 after 21, 22 23 24 are not available here, we can't see here. So let's make 22. Okay, let's do it. Let's do if it is working. I put here 22. I put here description, holiday calendar, my name initial underscore November 2022, valid from 2022 to 2026. Let's make it 2026. We'll change it sometime later, might be. Okay, now I'll click on assign holiday option. Okay, I'll click on it. Now what I'll do is I'll click on key option. Just a second. Let's click on it. Click on key. Now we can click set filter. You can, after clicking on assign holiday, click on key option and then click on set filter option. Let's click on it. Yeah, now you can put here your short key SR. And now click on execute option. So for SR created Diwali festival, SR November 2022, Dashera, Gandhi Jayanti, Independence Day, Republic Day. So let's assign it. So we'll assign it for public holiday key, and Diwali, Dashera and Gandhi Jayanti are the fixed holidays, right? So let's assign it. Okay, I clicked on assign holiday. Now let's make it as let's make the valid from 2, right? So valid from 2022 to 26. Again 2022 to 2026. Okay, because these are the fixed Diwali, Dasara, Gandhi. Oh, sorry, I chose wrongly. I should have not choose this Gandhi Jayanti for this. So by mistake I choose in this. Let's not make it. Just a second. Go back. Yes, are you sure? Let's create on this. Yeah. Okay. Let's again make it 22 holiday calendar SR underscore and November 2022 close. It will be from 2022 26, right? Click on assign holiday. Let's click on key. Let's click on set filter. Now click on SR. Click on continue. Yeah, you can see here Diwali festival, the Shahra. Yeah, these two are only are the floating holidays, right? Let's click on continue and save. Okay, assign public holiday before saving. Okay, so we'll have to assign the public holiday before saving. So let's make it. Let's assign it. Assign holiday key. Click on assign public holiday. Assign holiday. Key set filter SR continue. Yeah, these are the holidays. Let's make it for Gandhi Jayanti, Independence Day and Republic Day. Assign public holiday. I clicked on it. Yeah, these are the dates. So now we can make it 2022 to 2026, 2022. Like valid to it can be end time because it will be always be the same, right? But for now, for this entry we are creating for valid to 2026. You know, there is no rule for it. We can make it as per the company, like what company is saying, let's make it for 5 years only, and then after we'll again make the changes. Okay, 2026. Okay, now click on save and done. Okay, ठीक है. So now you can see public holiday calendar 2022 was saved. Again we make another calendar. Well, let's go back. Let's click on create. Let's click on 22 23. Let's put here 23. Holiday calendar. Let's go SR November 2022 2026. Let's click on assign holiday. Click on key. Click on set filter. Click on your name initial, put in short key, and click on execute option. Now there are 5 which I have created, and I have assigned for Gandhi Jayanti, Independence Day and Republic Day. Now I'll enter the turn of Dussehra and Diwali. Let's create here. Click on assign public holiday. There are 2. I clicked on it. I made the date of valid from 2 to 2022 to 2022 3 only. 2 only because it will be for 1 year only. Next year it will be changed. But let's make it 23. 2023. Let's make it 2023. 2023. Okay, now click on save. Yes, yes, it is saved with in 23. Okay, so we created the public holidays. These are the floating holidays and fixed holidays, because now we created the holiday calendar in time management, right? Yeah, so you can see here PT01, PT02, PT03 SQL. So now we'll see change work schedule, create works. Now in this, in time management only, we'll have to learn about PT02. What is the work of PT01? So PT0, in PT01 we can create the work schedule. In PT02 we can change the work schedule, and in PT03 we can display work schedule. Okay. So let's see here how it looks like and how it works. I think that's it for today classes. In next class, we'll learn something else and we'll relate this class to that class, right? So obviously, if we are doing more of a lot of things in a single class, it will be, get overflow, right? So better learn small things, learn in a smooth way. Don't be hodgepodge and in panic mode, right? So until I'm coming up with new video, please stay tuned and take care. Thank you very much.